Welcome to 605 South Monterey, located in the sought-after Lago Estancia neighborhood in the heart of Gilbert. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers just the right balance of comfort, style, and outdoor living. Inside, you'll find a spacious great room split floor plan with vaulted ceilings, newer plank tile flooring, oversized 6-inch baseboards, and designer touches throughout. The kitchen has been fully remodeled with white soft close shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a custom tile backsplash. The owner's suite is both spacious and inviting, with a remodeled bathroom featuring a new vanity with quartz counters, stylish fixtures, and a beautifully tiled shower surround. Guests will enjoy the updated hall bath with matching finishes, while the added Arizona room offers flexible space for hobbies, entertaining, or relaxing. Step outside to your entertainer's backyard, complete with a covered patio and ceiling fan, synthetic grass, and a refreshing pool with a rock waterfall and in-ground cleaning system. All of this in an amazing Gilbert location, close to parks, schools, and everything downtown has to offer. Don't miss your chance to call this beautiful home your own.